What is going on? Today I wanted to make a short and simple video as to why I use isopropyl alcohol when cleaning my watches. I've found over the years, ultrasonically cleaning them sometimes doesn't get off all of the gunk. It gets off most of it, but for your mainspring barrels and maybe center wheels, maybe even keyless works, a lot of those places where the thicker grease is added, for some reason it doesn't come off sometimes. I usually use the Zenith 101 ammoniated ultrasonic cleaning solution and the waterless silicone base, I believe it's made by Zenith again, ultrasonic cleaning solution. What I will do, without the balance or palette fork, I will soak every part in isopropyl alcohol and then individually take a paintbrush or a makeup application brush, because they're very, very soft brushes, and then clean the parts manually and then go to my cleaning machine. Number one, this almost definitely removes all of the gunk. Number two, it will save you a lot of money with your cleaning and rinsing solutions because they won't get as dirty. So, I'll just be cleaning each part individually. I try to get the brush hairs inside the jewels, really clean the tops and bottoms of them. These have been soaking here for maybe 20-30 minutes. We just want that oil and grease and dirt to be broken down, and then we're just wiping it away. With the plates and bridges, I will wipe them down first, but take them out last. These are the parts that will have most of that buildup on it, so I will let them soak the longest. I am using 99.99% isopropyl alcohol. I don't know if other alcohol works well, this is just the stuff I use. Try not to mix up all the screws. They all have their specific spots, but it makes the assembly process much quicker and easier. Here we have a Hamilton 992E.